Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am with you with class 6th, chapter number 4, sorting of materials. Okay, in my previous video I just told you, I have given you the introduction of that chapter, that is about object around us and what does object is made up of more than one kind of material. Now three words are there that is important, that is matter, material, and one more word we are using, that is substance. Okay, all are same, but as per the circumstances we are using these words. See, all are coming under material only, or matter or substance, everything is same, substance and CE. Okay, what is the main property कि ये material है, matter है, substance है? Three important things are there, that on the basis of this you can identify whether it is matter or not. So for that we can say matter which occupies which occupies space. Anything that occupies space is what? Matter, right? Matter, this or this, we can use any of this. Okay, occupy space, then you can feel, you can touch, or you can sense it. Okay, from any sense organ you can feel it, you can observe it. And the third one is, it is having occupied space, it have what? It have certain volume. So on the basis of these three things we can say that this is a matter, right? See, it must occupy some space. Second, we can feel, touch, or we can observe it by any of our sense organ. Then third is, it possesses mass. जैसे ये पेन है, it is having it, if I just kept it here, it occupies some space, right? Then we can feel it. आप इसको छू के पता लगा सकते हैं हार्ड है, कैसा है. Possess mass, इसका कुछ weight है. So we can say it is a matter, right? Now what is in front of you and me? That is air. Air also occupies space, that you have done in class 5th also. आपने balloon में, if you fill air, then it becomes big. That means it is occupying space. And second thing, you can feel. आप उसको पकड़ते हो तो soft लगता है. You can feel it. Okay. Then third is, it have mass. Mass, as you see, आपके kitchen में जो cylinder है, what is filled inside it? Gas is filled inside it. आप जब उसको उठाते हो, जब वो खाली हो जाता है, and when it is totally filled, then if you hold it, then which is heavier? In which gas is filled, that is heavier. That means it is having mass. Okay children, so on these three bases we can say yes, it is an object or it is a matter, right? Now come to the next point, that is more important, is properties of material. What are the different properties of material? Now properties of material, there are some common properties on the basis of which matter can be classified. Okay, in that first one is, ये physically कैसा दिखता है? What is its physical state? What is its physical state? State means how it what we can say कि you can touch it, whether it flows. Okay, means इसका स्टेट क्या ऐसा है, जैसे हम वाटर ही ले लेते हैं, वाटर को जब हम फ्रीज करते हैं it will become what? Ice. Ice means it is having some shape, a definite shape and size. मतलब कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट जिसका एक डेफिनेट शेप एंड साइज होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? दैट इज सॉलिड स्टेट. व्हाट? सॉलिड स्टेट. तो सॉलिड स्टेट की प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है? इट इज हैविंग अ फिक्स्ड शेप and size, right? This is the most important property of solid state. So a material is having its physical state, that may be solid. Second is that may be liquid. अब ice melt हो गई, वो क्या बन गया? Water बन गया. Then that state is what? Is what? Liquid state. Means liquid can flow, which flow or it takes the shape of material or vessel in which it is filled. वो जिसमें आप डालोगे उसका शेप वैसा हो जाता है. Okay, if you are keeping water in a glass, it takes the shape of glass. If you are putting that in a water bottle that is round in shape, तो water का shape round हो जाता है. Okay. Next is, so first state is what? Solid state. Second is what? Liquid state. And third is what? Gaseous state. Gases or gaseous you can write. Gaseous state. Gaseous state means that is present everywhere. That is air. Air means it is not having a fixed shape or size. Okay, it also takes the shape in which it is filled. अब एटमॉस्फेयर में तो इट इज नॉट हैविंग एनी शेप, लेकिन आप किसी क्लोज्ड चीज में जब उसको फिल करते हो इट टेक्स द शेप ऑफ दैट ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, so these are the three states in which matter can exist in its physical state. या तो वो solid state में रहेगा या liquid में रहेगा और gaseous में रहेगा. The very common example is of water. Water को जब हम freeze करते हैं it will become ice. And when इसको हम क्या करते हैं? water को cool करते हैं या freeze करते हैं, will get ice. And जब हम water को boil करते हैं it will become steam. Okay, this is what gaseous state, right? It becomes steam or vapor. This is what gaseous state, right? So this is what liquid, ice is what solid, and steam or vapor is what gaseous state. So children, a matter can exist in its physical state, maybe solid, liquid or gas. So children, I am here with the second property, that is appearance. Appearance मतलब वो देखने में कैसा लगता है, right? Appearance of any material can be justified or identified on the basis of four things. First is what? Color, then luster, then texture and hardness. Let us see one by one all that. Appearance, how it looks like. What is the color of that object, right? Whether it is red, whether it is blue, whether it is bright, whether it is light, whether it is dull. Okay, all color. What is the color of that, right? Then second is luster. Luster means what? Luster means shiny. Shining appearance. What? Shining appearance. Shining appearance चमकती है कौन सी चीज? like if we are we just see the ornaments, we just see the ornaments में एक अलग शाइन होती है. मतलब जितने भी मेटल्स होते हैं, आपका स्टील का बर्तन, कोई भी बर्तन है, like I'm just having this, so it is see shiny appearance is there, means वो चमक रहा है. Is this having luster? देखो इसके ऊपर एक प्लास्टिक शीट है, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट इज हैविंग लस्टर. बट इफ आई जस्ट टेक दिस, इट इज हैविंग लस्टर? नो, इट डज नॉट हैव लस्टर. ओके, सो हम कोई भी चीज, जैसे हम अगर गोल्ड स्मिथ नहीं, आप आयरन स्मिथ के पास ही जाते हो, मीन्स वेयर अ पर्सन हु इज डीलिंग विद आयरन पार्ट्स एंड ऑल दैट, मेकिंग आयरन materials, then if he is working with any that iron rod or whatever, if he cut that, the freshly cut iron is having luster. लेकिन अगर वो पड़ा हुआ है, बहुत टाइम से पड़ा हुआ है, तो आप देखते हो rusty and dull appearance होती है उसकी. So what is luster? Is shiny appearance. So some objects are having a shiny appearance, and some are dull. Right, here dull, I have written what? Dull color. Okay, dim color, that. Now third is what? Texture. Texture क्या होता है? What is texture? See, texture is what? If you can see this, see, it is very smooth. This part is very smooth. लेकिन आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, or you can see your that floor, okay, floor of your room, that is of marble or any tile, that is very smooth. Okay, but when you are going on the road, then that is not smooth as that, like your house floor. Okay, that is different, means that is rough. Okay, so appearance, in appearance these two things, texture, in texture these two things are coming, whether it is smooth or it is rough. Okay, आपको छूने से कैसा लगता है? वो स्मूथ लगता है या फिर खुरदुरा रफ surface? Okay, surface you can see. Okay, then after see hardness. Hardness is what? Means I'm just pressing this. Can I press this? No. इससे ज्यादा मैं इसको प्रेस नहीं कर पाऊंगी. Why? Because it is hard. ये hard है. But if I just take cotton ball, then I can press that. Rubber ball, I can press that. Sponge, I can press that. So these are the things which are soft in touch. Okay, as I am having this cloth, इसको मैं ऐसे आराम से प्रेस कर लेती हूँ. Okay, I can do easily. It can easily compressed. That means it is what? It is not hard. It is what? Soft. So matter can be soft or what? Hard. On this basis, these are the different properties that the material, that the matter have. Okay, children, now come to. So children, we have done the physical state, we have done appearance. Now is the third property, that is solubility in water. The material, any material that is soluble in water, that is soluble in water, material that is soluble in water. Okay, in water, इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? इसको हम कहते हैं soluble substance or soluble materials. Here we are using, see, earlier I told you, somewhere we are using matter, somewhere we are using material, and somewhere we are using what? Substance. So the material which dissolves in water, are known as what? Soluble substances. So what are soluble substances? Material which dissolves in water is known as soluble substances. Now one more thing, जरूरी नहीं है कि सारे के सारे मटेरियल जो है पानी में मिक्स हो जाए. Okay, some materials are there which do not dissolve. That does not dissolve. What does not dissolve? That does not dissolve are known as what? Insoluble substance. Right, children? Clear? Solubility in water. If a material dissolves in water, is soluble in water, then that is known as soluble substances. And if that does not dissolve, then that is known as insoluble substances. Okay, can you name them? Suppose I have taken, okay, here I have taken a glass. Okay, here water is filled in it. मैंने 1 चम्मच शुगर इसके अंदर डाल दिया. Right, I just put 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, it after some time when you just dissolve it, when you stir it, you can see after some time that will completely dissolve. So sugar is completely dissolved in water. तो इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? The water which is having water plus, इसमें क्या डिसॉल्व किया आपने? शुगर. When you dissolve sugar in water, then ये वाटर कैसा हो जाएगा? ये वाटर स्वीट हो जाएगा. तो स्वीट वाटर बन जाएगा ये स्वीट वाटर. So children, here one more important thing is there. This water is known as water. अपने अंदर बहुत सारी चीजों को डिसॉल्व कर लेता है. That is why we call water as universal solvent. Universal solvent. See, here 3 more terms are important. I'm just rubbing this one. See, here you can see sugar. You just put in water. It get dissolved in that, and the water becomes sweet in taste. है ना? Sweet water. I have just written. So, sugar को आप क्या कहोगे? Water को क्या कहोगे? और इसको क्या कहोगे? Okay? जिसको dissolve किया है, that is known as solute. Right? जिसमें dissolve किया है, that is known as solvent. And mixture of these two is known as solution. Okay, children? Is that clear to you? Solute plus solvent makes what? Solution. And water, this is very important. Water is universal solvent. Water can dissolve many things in it. You can see the sea water. It dissolves many organic, inorganic substances in it. Okay? So children, this is the 4th point, that is material may float or sink in water. Okay? Some material are there which float on water. What? आपने एक आयरन नहीं लिया या स्टोन लिया, जब आप उसको पानी में डालेंगे then it will go down. But when you put wood, thermocol, plastic, it will just float. It will what? Float on water. Then it means these are lighter in weight. Okay, means it is having the property of what? Floating. It does not sink in water. Okay, that means material can be classified on the basis of it can float in water or it can sink in water. For that we are using this property is known as what? Density. Okay, that you will read further. तो इसके डिटेल में अभी नहीं जाएंगे. Just this much you know कि material can be classified on the basis of that whether it is floating in water or whether it sinks in water. Okay, तो heavy weight वाले जो material होते हैं that just sink in water. Okay, and जो lighter होते हैं they can float on water. See children, one more property is there, that is behavior towards the light. How the material is behaving towards the light means, see, I am having this paper or this book. Can I see you? Can you see me? No, it is not visible. Your face and my face is not visible to each other. What is this? लाइट जो है, लाइट इसके अंदर से पास नहीं हो पा रही है. दैट इज वाई. ओके, आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा. सो इफ दैट कैमरा इज देयर, देन ऑल्सो दैट मच स्पेस आई कैनॉट सी. In that, light cannot pass through it. See, I am having this glass. I can see you. Who is in front of me? I can see. Means this glass allows light to pass through it. Right? This glass allows light to pass through it. One more thing is there, that I'm just having this tissue paper. With this tissue paper, if I just put butter paper is the nice example. If you take the butter paper, see children, I'm having this butter paper or this one sheet. Can you see what is drawn behind this? Yes, I think it is visible to you. Okay, see, what is back to it is this one. Okay, means if I just put this, then also you can see little bit, means not partially you can see it. So what you understand from this, that this, if I kept this one, this is transparent, means light जो है pass हो जा रही है, light can pass through it, so I can see whatever is in front of me. But if I am having this book in front of me and you, I cannot see you. Why? Because light does not pass through this book. Okay, and if I am having this sheet, then see, then you can see the object what is kept behind it through what? Through the sheet. But it is not clear. It is partial. Okay, means what? There are three types of object. Object that allow light to pass through it are known as transparent. Right? Transparent object. Then object that does not allow. No, that allow light to pass through it partially. That is known as translucent. Right children? Translucent. This is transparent, this is translucent. And one more type of material is there, that any solid material, that book, copy, which does not allow light to pass through it is known as what? Opaque. Okay, right children? So these are the three types of materials we can find: transparent, translucent and opaque. It is very important, and this you have learnt earlier also. Thank you and have a nice day. Subscribe my channel, watch my channel and share my channel. मिलते हैं next video में. बचा हुआ जो part रह गया है, next video में we'll complete that. Till then, goodbye children.